What is a strict liability crime?
The usual ones given would be driving without insurance, statutory rape, possession of drugs, possession of knives, buying drink or buying alcoholic beverages for people under the legal age. That's generally speaking what a strict liability offence is. It would be impossible to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a person didn't know that someone wasn't underage or was underage. They didn't know it. So they don't. In those specific cases, they require no intention at all, and that's really what strict liability is.
What does strict liability mean in criminal law?
In criminal law, it's again for any criminal offence to be made out against you, there has to be the constituents of the offence being committed, and then the accommodating intention on top of that. And if those two things collide together, the offence is made out. Strict liability doesn't require any mental element. It doesn't require you to have intended to commit the offence. The mere fact that you did it is enough. And there's usual explanations given for that. Because it's impossible to prove intention in every case, some cases are constructed in such a way that strict liability, that the intention is not required, the action itself is enough to satisfy the charge. So intention is not really required at all.
What is strict liability in law?
In law, strict liability is a category of offences. There's not that many of them that don't require intention to be proven. So if you walk down the street and you've got a bag of cannabis in your pocket, you might say you didn't intend to have it in your pocket, but it's going to be a hard one to sell. The fact that you have it at all, regardless of your intention, is sufficient to prove the case against you. Similarly, if you buy drink for people who are underage, it doesn't matter you thought they were overage. If you drive without insurance, it doesn't matter you didn't know you didn't have insurance. And if you have sex with someone who's beneath the legal age, it doesn't matter either. It's simply your mental, I suppose your intention is irrelevant. It's the action itself that is most important.